Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to import your mutual fund transactions from the downloaded CAS PDF into your Google Sheet Portfolio Tracker. If you are not aware of my Google Sheet Portfolio Tracker, you can watch its video from the link provided in the description. Now, for importing our transactions data, we are going to use an amazing script created by Sudheer. The application made by him is originally for Windows, in which it converts PDF into a CSV format. But for our case, I modified the script to convert the PDF data and adds it into our Google Sheet Portfolio Tracker without any need for installation and by just using it in Google Colab. So without any delay, let's get started. Before starting the import, we must add all our funds to the Portfolio Tracker. To do that, go to the Overview sheet, and by using this asset form, add all your funds as shown here. Once you completed adding all your funds, go to Google and search for CAMS. Click on the Consolidated Account Statement. Now here select Detailed option, and for the period I am selecting the current financial year, but in your case you need to select specific period and download the whole data starting from your initial investment date. Select the option with zero balance folios and enter your email ID. Now for the password field, enter any password and note it down, because we are going to use this one to open the downloaded CAS. Now, click Submit. After the successful submission, you will receive an email like this. Scroll down to the bottom and download your CAS. Now open the Colab file I shared with you. Go to the File menu and click Save a Copy in Drive. This will create a copy of the file in your own Google Drive, which you can freely use and edit. Once your copy is ready, you can close the original shared file. Next, run the code by clicking on this play icon and wait until the execution is completed. Now click on the Upload PDF button and select your PDF statement. Here, enter the password for the PDF. And here we need to enter your Google Sheet ID by copying its ID from the URL of the sheet and pasting it here. Now click on the Process and Map Funds button. Google will show a pop-up asking you to allow this code to run. Click Allow and continue the steps. After clicking again on the Process and Map Funds button, you will see all your fund names from the PDF on the left side and a list of fund names from your portfolio tracker on the right side. Here, the code already finds the best match and has pre-selected those for you. If you find any mismatch, you can always change them using these drop-downs. Finally, click Append to Google Sheet. Here we can see it has successfully added all our transactions into the portfolio tracker. At last, click on the Refresh button to update the values in the portfolio tracker. That's it. By using this script, you can import all your mutual fund transactions and track them in the Google Sheet effortlessly. Find the Colab file link in the description and start using it. Thanks for watching and happy investing!